Okay, let us continue with the UV visible spectroscopy. We will see the Beer-Lambert's law. Before that, we will see that when the beam of light falls in the solution or the homogeneous media, the portion of the light is reflected, some portion is absorbed within the medium, and then remaining is transmitted. So, agar I is the intensity of radiation falling on the media, then you can say IR जो है वो अमाउंट ऑफ रेडिएशन रिफ्लेक्टेड दिखाएगा, आई ए इज़ अमाउंट ऑफ रेडिएशन एब्जॉर्ब एंड इफ आई टी इज़ अमाउंट ऑफ रेडिएशन ट्रांसमिटेड. सो हम कह सकते हैं आई ज़ीरो इज़ इक्वल टू आई आर प्लस आई ए प्लस आई टी. लेट अस सी व्हाट इज़ Beer's law first. So when the beam of monochromatic light is passed through the homogeneous absorbing medium, the rate of decrease of intensity of radiation with increase in the concentration of the absorbing species is directly proportional to the intensity of the incident light. So mathematically we can write minus di by dc is equal to ki, or if I take ki on this side, minus di by I is equal to k dc. इसको हम इंटीग्रेट करेंगे तो माइनस लॉग ऑफ आई इज इक्वल टू के सी प्लस बी. जब भी कॉन्सेंट्रेशन जीरो होगा देयर विल बी नो एब्जॉर्बेंस, मतलब मीन्स आई विल बी आई ज़ीरो. सो आपका इक्वेशन बनेगा माइनस लॉग आई इज इक्वल टू के इंटू ज़ीरो प्लस बी, मतलब माइनस लॉग आई इज इक्वल टू बी. ओके, नाउ हम इसकी वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे इन इक्वेशन वन. सो व्हाट वी गेट इज minus log I is equal to k minus kc minus log I0. Let us take this I0 on this side. So log of I0 minus log I is equal to kc. We know that log A minus log B is equal to log A by B. इसके लिए ये इक्वेशन बनेगा log A by B. Okay, so log I0 by log I is equal to kc. Now we will remove the logarithm. So I0 upon I is equal to e raised to kc. And now we'll inverse both the sides. So I upon I0 is equal to e raised to minus kc. So what our equation becomes, I equals I0 e raised to minus kc. Okay, so what you have to remember in Beer's law, here I'll just go to this slide. You remember this way, जब भी beam of monochromatic light absorbing medium से pass हो रही है तो जो rate of decrease of intensity है, that is with increase in the concentration, किससे proportional? It is proportional to the intensity of the incident light. और Lambert's law इससे प्रपोज किया कि जब भी बीम ऑफ मोनोक्रोमैटिक लाइट होमोजेनियस एब्जॉर्बिंग मीडियम से पास होती है तभी रेट ऑफ डिक्रीज ऑफ इंटेंसिटी ऑफ द रेडिएशन इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द इंटेंसिटी एंड दैट विल बी विथ द थिकनेस ऑफ द मीडियम. तो अगर हमने एक टर्म लिया थिकनेस ऑफ मीडियम के लिए टी. Okay, so I is the intensity of the incident light and we'll get the equation. Similar lines में हम अगर try करेंगे तो हमको equation मिलेगा I is equal to I0 similar to equation 2. We'll get I is equal to I0 e raised to minus kt. and दोनों को अगर हमने combine किया तो we can write I is equal to I0 e raised to minus kct. इसको अगर हमने natural logarithm to the base convert करेंगे we get I is equal to I0 10 raised to minus kct. Now we inverse on the both the sides. तो ये inverse means 10 raised to kct होगा और यहाँ पे I0 upon it will become inverse. So I0 upon I. Again we take the log on the both the sides. So what we get is log of I0 upon I is equal to kct. So you remember this equation. Now we know transmittance is equal to ratio of IT upon I0. Absorbance is nothing but log of 1 upon T. Okay, so from this equation 4 and 5 what we get is A is equal to KCT. Instead of K we are using the constant as epsilon, that is molar extinction coefficient or molar absorptivity. So that equation is A is equal to epsilon CT or epsilon. Instead of T if we are using B is a path length, C is a concentration of the medium, concentration of the solution for which we are finding out the absorbance. So A is the absorbance, epsilon is the molar extinction coefficient, C is a concentration and T or B is a path length, or we can write it as epsilon CL also. Now our equation is A is equal to epsilon CT. We can also express epsilon as epsilon is equal to extinction of 1% solution, path length 1 centimeter into molecular weight by 10. So if you know the value of E at 1 centimeter 1%, and if you know the molecular weight, you can find out epsilon. So A is absorbance, epsilon is a molar extinction coefficient, C is the concentration of the sample, and T is the path length.